Fridge Tag 2 User Guide.
Chapter 6 Display Indication During Measurement Mode. The lock function is completed. For 1 minute, no current temperature is displayed on the screen. After this, you'll see the OK display with the Fridge Tag 2 displays the OK symbol, the current temperature, the time and the date, and it indicates that the measuring is made with an internal sensor. Alarm display. If the temperature and the time conditions are outside the preset alarm parameters, the following will be displayed: the alarm symbol, an arrow in the upper display area, the warning symbol. Note, the warning symbol will last until the user will read out the details of the triggered alarms. After that, it will disappear. The alarm indication cannot be cancelled nor reset. Chapter 7 Reading the History. You have 3 options to read out data from the Fridge Tag 2. First option, read out day per day directly on the device. 30-day history. Read out during OK display. Press Read once. The first high arrow starts blinking. The screen shows the high limit records of the current day, the highest recorded temperature, the duration out of the preset temperature high limit. Press Read again. The first low arrow starts blinking. The screen shows the low limit records of the current day, the lowest recorded temperature, the duration out of the preset temperature low limit. Keep on repetitively pressing the Read button day per day until 30 days. Read out an alarm display.
Press Read until you reach the first alarm.
The first screen of a lower alarm event is displayed. The following information is indicated: alarm limit, day of alarm, date of excursion, time of excursion. Press Read again. The second screen of a lower alarm event is displayed. The following information is indicated: lowest recorded temperature, time duration out of the preset temperature low limit, kind of temperature recording. Keep on repetitively pressing the Read button day per day until 30 days. Second option, read out alarms only, alarm super jump function. To only read out alarms, press and hold the Read button for at least 3 seconds. The latest alarm will be indicated. On the first displayed screen of the latest alarm event, the following information is indicated: alarm limit, day of alarm, date of excursion, time of excursion. Press Read again. Second screen of the latest alarm event: highest recorded temperature, time duration out of the preset temperature high limit, kind of temperature recording. Note, in order to jump to the next alarm, press and hold the Read button again for at least 3 seconds. Third option, how to read the history via USB port. plug the fridge tag 2 into any computer via USB interface. The following window will appear. Now, open the files generated by fridge tag 2. Note: for this process, no additional software is necessary. Sample of a PDF file generated by a fridge tag 2. Sample of an ASCII file generated by a fridge tag 2.